Hi, good morning. I am grouchy. I'm only grouchy because I woke up and there was no sugar for my coffee. I'm a huge coffee drinker. Excuse you. I have to have my coffee. I have to. No coffee equals angry mummy. Anyways, so got the girls off to school. And then I went to the grocery store and I grabbed some sugar because that's what I was out of. Came home and made myself some coffee. So I'm feeling a little better. Anyways, after I made my coffee, I decided to do my nails. Just something simple. You know, I just kind of painted them some freaking purple color. Normally, so I am a nail technician, if you guys don't know that about me. I'm also a hairdresser. But normally I would do the full-on, extensions, gel, all that stuff. But today, I didn't feel like it. I do have to work at 1 today. It is 10:50 right now. So I figured do my nails because I've been wanting to do that for a bit now. We are going to continue working on this blanket. We are on row 174 out of 217. And I just want to get this blanket done. I'm over it. It has been put in timeout, taken out of timeout, put back in timeout. But I really just want to get it done and out of my little corner here. So if you guys don't know, I usually put my stuff beside me, beside the couch here, in my basket. And this blanket keeps getting bigger and bigger. And then the amount of bobbins I have in my basket, it's overwhelming. I'll show you. So I sit right here beside my couch, and then there's my basket of bobbins. And then I have some more projects over here. But yeah, it's overtaking the side of my couch. But anyways, I'm going to continue working on this blanket, and I will check in with you and see how far we got before I have to leave for work. Hi guys. So I just got off live, and it was really good. We had a lot of views, a lot of likes, and we managed to work on we started at row 165 and we got all the way to row 171. So that's quite the progress. I'm just going to start weaving in some ends here and get some of these out of the way. But we are so close to finishing this blanket. Like, it's 217 rows and we're on row 172. I cannot wait to finish this blanket and be done with it. But yeah, I'm going to be calling it a night very soon, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it is 12:30. I do have to get ready for work, so I gotta be there at 1. Anyways, we finished row 178. So from 172 to 179, 172 to 178. That's what we got done so far. So this is progress. I'm too short. I can't show you all of it. Anyways, I think it's looking beautiful. Anyways, I'm going to try and work on this after work, so I will see you guys then. I've come to the conclusion that I had too much yarn. I had too much yarn. I'll probably buy more. So I just finished putting all my yarn out of storage into my new shelves, and I'm exhausted. That was a lot of work, and I've come to the conclusion that I have a lot of yarn. I have way too much yarn. I think I should put myself on a yarn band, except for, hear me out, except for white and black. I don't have any white and black, and those are the two colors that I use the most. So I'm not allowed to buy any more colors until I use up some of my yarn. Yeah. Anyways, it's late. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed, and then I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Guess where we're going? We're going to Michael's. Hi. Guess what? Can you guess what's in here? So Mother's Day was yesterday, and the kids gave me money to go get yarn. So I went to Michael's, and they were having a 25% off sale off loops and threads. It wasn't all yarn, it was just loops and threads for some reason. Anyways, I've never done a yarn haul, so let's get into it and see what I got. So first two skeins I see are, the loops and threads, soft classical I should say, in fuchsia. So we got two of these. And then I got a whole bunch of like white, because I always seem to run out of white. There's one missing. Currently using it for another project, but I did 5 white. So that's what, 5, 6, 7. And then I got one more blue. This one is in color blue. And then we did 2 of these pink ones, because I noticed in my yarn stash that I really didn't have that much pink. And this is in the color light pink. So these guys. And then I got these pink ones. And these are in the color pink. Very original. I did get like a peach color, because I do want to do like Minnie Mouse, maybe Mickey Mouse. I also want to do an Ariel, so we're definitely going to need some like peach kind. And this is called Blush, not pink, Blush. And then I got one red. one red, so if I do Ariel's hair. And can you guys guess the name of this one? Give you a hint. Bright red. Not just red, bright red. I also picked up a few of the Loose and Threads cotton yarn. So medium 4-ply classic cotton by Loose and Threads. So it looks like that. So I got 3 white. And then I also got 2 of this burgundy color. Like, that is absolutely beautiful. Can you imagine a top in this color? And this is in color burgundy. That's like the perfect rose color, I swear. It's actually kind of close to my hair color. And then I also got 1 black cotton. I'm starting to really like these little guys. Because I do want to make some more tops when I'm not making graph gans. So, got some cotton that don't want to stay in my hands. So, cotton. But yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 skeins for, I think after tax and everything, it came to like $83, which with 25% off, that's really not that bad. I mean, these guys were like 2 something because they're originally $3.99, so wasn't a bad haul. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got, and we'll see what we make with these colors. Hi guys, so that concludes our vlog for now. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here and supporting my channel. If you guys want to see more from me, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment. And I will see you in the next vlog.